my channel divzhomestudio. I hope you all are doing well, and this video is also a special video, so giveaway for this month is going to continue. And like I told, like always, you have to subscribe to my channel, comment in my comment section what you like about this video, and follow me on my Instagram handle, and surely you would win the giveaway. I do have a very interesting products to give you guys, so don't miss out the giveaway, and I would surely be very happy to share my products with you guys. And yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video, and hit that thumbs up if you like my videos. It really matters a lot to me. So by title you must have got that this is a lip care routine 101. So we have already done the episode 1. You can check that out in the description box in the I link. I'll surely give the link. By watching the video, in episode 1, you must have got an idea like how you can actually maintain your lip care routine. So you don't know what all you have to follow in your lip care routine. So in today's video, I'm going to share or show you few tips and tricks how you can take care of your lips. That is a lip care routine every week you would love to follow, and everyday basis what you would have to do. And I would be surely referring or suggesting few products, store-bought products like which would really work. And then I will surely share a few DIY masks and scrubs, because that really works more well than the store-bought products when it compares, when it comes to the lips. I personally have felt that. But when it comes to lip, it's very simple, very easy. You can surely get a very nice, supple, smooth, juicy lips from a few DIY which you would love to do it at home, and it's very easily available as well. So let me share my lip care routine. This is episode 2, and yes, let's actually group the categories into different, that is the lip care routine, how it has to be targeted. So first one would be the chapped lips, the second one would be the juicy, smooth and plumpy looking lips, and the third one is the pigmented lips. People who have really dark lips actually can work them back. I have done personally, believe it or not, it has worked. I'm surely going to share that magical product with you guys which really worked amazing for me. Don't skip the video, watch till the end, and watch till all the episodes of lip care routine to know what that magical product is. And let's get started. So today I'm going to target about the chapped lips, so that is going to be category 1. So this is a general concern which all the age groups and almost all people face during winters, as well as it depends. Some of them have really very dry lips, and some of them have like moderate. But when the season changes, everyone have to face that kind of problems. So coming up as a winter and monsoon, surely you would be suffering with chapped lips. So let's get into the video and see what are the step-by-step process to take care of your lips. So in episode 1 in the lip care routine 101, I shared that you need to exfoliate your lips but not overdo on it. So likewise, exfoliation removes the dead skin cells on your lips and make your lips more smoother and supple. So that's a very important step, and the step 1 in your lip care routine. And exfoliation. The next one is masking. So it is going to be like a treatment for your lip care. So after masking, it is very important to hydrate your lips and moisturize it. So hydrating and moisturizing is something same. That is, you're going to apply a lip butter or a lip balm or something like that to keep that moisture inside, and make your lips feel more smooth, supple and juicier. So that's very important step. And this the last and the final step, like moisturizing and hydrating, have to be done every day in your skincare routine. So but the exfoliation and masking can be done occasionally. That is quite like you can do it twice a week, but hydrating and moisturizing have to be done every day to keep your lips supple and soft. So exfoliation can be done into 3 methods. I have worked all the 3 methods personally. I felt that really worked and was effective on my lips. So the first method of exfoliating your lips is simplest and the easiest of all. So you're going to just take a nice soft turkey clean towel and just put your forefinger inside the towel and just going to rub your lips with that very smoothly, very gently, like 5 to 6 times all over your lips, and that's it. Your lips is exfoliated. Believe it or not, you will really have a super supple lips after this exfoliation. So the next method in your exfoliation is using a toothbrush to exfoliate your lips. Believe it or not, it is not going to hurt, but be very gentle. Give a very slow strokes on your lips. So take a used or a very soft toothbrush and just run through your lips slowly, like all over your lips again, how we did in the towel. The same kind, you're going to just run the toothbrush all over your lips gently, like 5 to 6 times, and yes, your exfoliation method too is done. So the third method is using the DIY scrubs to exfoliate your lips. So in this, I'm going to share a few DIY scrubs that is very gentle on your lips, yet which works very well and which is very effective, and you're going to see like visible changes and difference in your lips maybe in like 2-3 weeks if you're doing it every week. And this exfoliation, like I mentioned, it has to be done twice a week. Even weekly once would be really fine, but don't over exfoliate. Maybe it's towel or toothbrush, you should not overdo. Again, like I told, the lips is very sensitive and the delicate part. You have to be very gentle and careful when you are working on your lips. So this is a third method of exfoliating your skin. You're going to just use the DIY scrub, rub it nicely on your lips, all over your lips, run through it, and let that DIY ingredients absorb into your lips and give that super supple look. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for exfoliating and masking my lips today. So I'm going to use around about half teaspoon of all of these ingredients. So I'm going to use this half a teaspoon of coffee powder, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, white sugar, and I've taken about half a teaspoon of coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil, and as well as honey. So these actually acts as a natural exfoliant as well as hydrating and moisturizing your lips, so you can achieve soft and supple lips. About half teaspoon of white sugar with coconut oil, and this hydrates and moisturizes your skin so well. So I'm going to massage or scrub my lips very gently in a circular motion and just wipe off after some 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to take about half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and I'm going to add honey is a natural exfoliant. It actually cleans out your dry dead skin, and clears your lips and makes your chapped lips super soft and supple. So I'm going to use brown sugar as an exfoliant with honey. Yeah, you can just see how smooth and supple my lips is looking after exfoliating with honey and brown sugar. Coffee and olive oil are such a good combination of ingredients to exfoliate your lips. Again, it hydrates, it exfoliates and removes all the dead skin cells on your lips, and it gives that super moist look and really a smooth and very juicy lips. So I love the finish of this coffee powder and olive oil. Coffee powder is rich in antioxidant. It can make your lips super soft. So for masking, I'm going to use the cocoa powder and the coconut oil. The cocoa powder is filled with a rich antioxidant. It can actually moisturize your lips and keep it hydrated, and it gives that super soft, supple and smooth looking lips, and it just gives that perfect masking for your lips, and I just love this mask. Next, I'm going to use this aloe vera, which has a lot of healing power and it is filled with moisture. So this has a lot of healing power. It can heal your chapped lips and gives that perfect looking lips. Again, take out the gel, apply it on your lips, leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes if you like it, and it just dries off. You don't really feel like you have something on your lips. So I love this mask as well. If you follow all of these or any 2 or 3 of this kind of DIY lip care routine at home, you can surely end up having a really good, super soft, plumpier lips. I think I personally feel this really works on everyone. So try this out and let me know in my comment section what you felt about this video. So I'm going to mention a few of the store-bought, lip care products in today's video of for treating your chapped lips alone. So this is going to be episode 2 because we are not going to overboard again on the lip care routine. I'm going to go very, very slowly so that you really understand and do it on your right direction, so that you don't really misunderstand having pigmented lips, having chapped lips, having you do want a juicy lips and something like that. So fuller and plumpier lips. So everyone doesn't want the plumpier lips, everyone doesn't have pigmentation, everyone doesn't have chapped lips. So you have to always target on your concerns, except for hydrating and moisturizing your lips is very important. So I'll be sharing a few lip care products that everybody can use. It's the general lip care product, so everyone can use, but always target on your problematic area so that you really find that visible change when you actually target and work on that particular area. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you really like it, give it a big thumbs up. Try it out and comment me below in my comment section if really it worked. And when it comes to skincare, hair care, whatever, it has to be done religiously to see that actual visible changes. I personally don't believe in a lot of myths like this, like there was a dark black. So I'm not a very lip balm person, and I don't really have anything with me, but I do have two my top favorite lip balms. And this one is from Himalaya Herbals, and this one is from Biotic Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Lip Balm. So this one is my recent purchase from that Morning Nectar range, and this one I have been using from a really long time. This one is completely just cocoa butter and sal butter. I don't think they do have any other ingredients in this because it is not mentioned either. Packaging is really lovely, and they do have like around give that on screen. You can check that out, as well as the price. I think I paid something around like 120 rupees or 130. It retails for around some 160 rupees. It smells just like chocolate, and it's just cocoa butter, so it just looks like this. And I've done, and it's kind of a thick butter kind of consistency, if I could say. I'm not a lip balm person actually, so this one does the job. So the next one is the Biotic Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Lip Balm. Again, this one is in the white color. They don't have any tint either, and it has that usual morning nectar moisturizer kind of fragrance. It's actually very soothing, it's not very overwhelming, and this is again a kind of thick balm consistency. That's it. So I love currently this kind of lip balms for my chapped lips. This is my favorite because I don't go out with lip balm, so I don't like it with lip tint, I don't like it with fragrance and nothing as such. So if you are someone who loves tinted lip balms, there are so many out there in the market today, so you can purchase anything you like. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, and all of those DIYs are generally I do it at home whenever I feel like my lips is kind of dry, it's chapped, or I need to a good exfoliation at home. I really feel my lips is smooth, supple, and it looks more fuller when I do this kind of DIYs at home. So try this out and let me know in comment section if you really liked how you felt after doing those DIYs. And this is how you take care of your lips by exfoliating as well as hydrating. These two steps play a kind of very important role in your lip care routine. So next time I'm going to see you guys with a lot of product recommendations which are store bought, particularly for juicy lips as well as pigmented lips. So this is it for the chapped and dry lips. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and like my videos. And this is the episode 2 of the lip care routine. Do stay tuned for the episode 3, which you are going to love it. I'm going to have super duper products which is going to stun you guys and make you feel like, oh my goodness, it really works. So I'm going to share a few of these products in my episode 3 also. So don't miss that out. Keep watching, stay tuned, and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram handle is divzhomestudio. And I think I spoke a lot, so I'll get going for a day. And bye. See you until next time. It's bye from Divya.